What's going on, guys? GT Jesse here, and in today's video we are going to be installing high lift hood struts from Overtake USA on my 2015 15 to 21, it's actually a 20 STI, Subaru WRX STI. This is an interesting product. I didn't even know it existed before I stumbled across it on their website, but a really cool use case. So if you think about anytime you're working on your car and you go to open your hood to change your oil, to replace your intercooler, to replace your air filter, to change your spark plugs, whatever it may be, your stock hood is only going to open about that much. The high lift hood struts basically make it so that instead of only getting that much clearance, you get like that much clearance. So you get a lot more clearance, better lighting, better visibility, and overall it makes it a lot more, just a lot easier to work on your car. That's the main selling point for these hood struts. My use case is a little bit different because, as you can see, my car is very wrapped, and I have a carbon fiber hood, which is not wrapped, at least at face value. When you go to open it though, I have a very custom koi fish swimming upstream as an underhood wrap. And with these high lift hood struts, I'm gonna be able to put that thing on display like a mural at car shows, and it's gonna look so good. The only problem is, just like with the stock hood struts, the thread pitch and diameter on the mounting holes on the carbon fiber hood are actually too small. And so I actually went into the Overtake USA product development Facebook group, which it's awesome that they even have that, by the way. And I posted a question and I was like, hey guys, if I wanted to install these on my carbon fiber hood, which has mounting holes that have a smaller thread diameter than the stock mounting holes, how would I go about doing that? And one of their engineer guys or product development guys replied back, and they basically said, all you have to do is find the, what is this called? It's called a ball stud. You have to find the ball stud that has the proper thread pitch and diameter. And so I found a screw that threaded into that hole. I took it to Home Depot. I put it into their little thread pitch and diameter legend key thing that they have mounted right on their shelf. Figured out it was an M6x1 thread pitch and diameter. Went on Amazon, looked up M6x1 ball studs. Lo and behold, they had them. They were here the next day. Hit up the guys at Overtake and I was like, send me those hood struts. And we got them. And I let them know that I have a car show this weekend and I needed them as soon as possible because I really wanted to get them on for the show. And they literally had them on my doorstep like a day after I messaged them. So super awesome turnaround time, super great customer service with the product development group, and hopefully a great product too. So looking forward to getting these installed, showing you guys kind of the before and after, and doing the unboxing with you. So let's go on ahead, get right to it, installing the high lift hood struts from Overtake USA. All right, let's go on ahead and start with the unboxing. So nice packaging. As you can see, these are the high lift hood struts for the Subaru 15 to 21 and 22 plus WRX and STI from Overtake USA. Very well-known brand in the Subaru community. Let's go on ahead and get this opened, see what these look like. And they look really nice on their website. They look more robust than the stock ones, and they have some nice, subtle, but clean Overtake branding on them. So excited about that. Packing slip with my PII. We've got an event card. SubiFest, Texas, y'all. If you're going to be there, look me up, GT Jesse. I will be there October 11th. Might have a new wrap on my car by then. Stay tuned. All right, what do we got going on here? We've got scan for install guides. Well, that's handy. Maybe we'll overlay on the video with that. I don't think we're going to need it though, to be honest. Thanks for your purchase. Here to help. Packaged by Justin. Appreciate you, boss. Nice. We've got the Overtake logo. That's awesome that they send that. Not necessary in my case because I've actually got a really exciting project with them. And we've already got the Overtake logo as a core component to our roll call on the rear window. What else do we have here? Oh, stressed garage. They sent me a magnet with some dude's car on it. That's a clean Fozzie. All right, let's open these up. Nice. All right. Wow. Okay. Yeah, that branding is legit. It's actually like a metal plate that is stuck onto the strut. That is nice. There we go. Boom. There's that one. And I think these are probably like omnidirectional. 2516, 2516. Yep, they are. One thing they do mention on their website, on the stock hood struts, they are mounted like this, where the actual body of the strut is on top and the piston is on the bottom. With theirs, I believe they go like this. So these are, let me just show you these real quick. The difference, right? We're pretty much on the carbon fiber hood. We're like a size down compared to the stock thread pitch and diameter. But check out the difference. So you get about another 1.5 to 2 inches of length on the Overtake struts. And we'll see what a difference that makes when we get them installed. But let me show you how to take the hardware off, because if you guys are installing these on just a stock hood, you don't have to remove these bolts at all. You actually leave the bolts in and they pop right out. They pop out super easy. So you take a flathead screwdriver, see if we can get it to focus. Flathead screwdriver goes in that hole and you just pop that out. And then when you do that, you'll be able to pop it right off. And that would happen while this is mounted to your hood and that is mounted to your fender area. So it's actually a lot easier. I kind of needed a third hand there, but I made it work. But just something to keep in mind. You do not have to unscrew these from your hood or chassis if you're working with stock parts. But either way, they pop off relatively easy. So I'm going to reuse those. These are going on the fender side, so let's go ahead and put them in. Make sure that they are also 13 mil, which they are. That's going right in there. I might actually have to take my fender shroud off. Maybe not. Nope, I can get in there. Nice. That's snug. That's snug. Okay, so I got the left one on, and I just wanted to try that out real quick before I show you exactly how easy it is to put the right one on. But all you got to do is take that little hole there, find your little ball stud, which is right down there, pop it on, boom, just like that. And then up at the top, take this one, boom, just like that. They are on. So that is how easy it is to install the Overtake high lift hood struts. And you probably want to know, okay, well, what about removing the stock ones? Since my stock ones were already removed, I didn't get a chance to show you that, but I'm going to show you right now. Just take your flat tip screwdriver, stick it in that slot right there. And you just need to pry that out. Boom, just like that. And your little band clamp might come out a little bit. It's actually more like a band spring, tension spring, but just pop it back on, line it back up, boom. And it's the exact same with the bottom mounting point. It's the exact same mechanics, same setup. So super easy. You guys can do this in like 5 minutes. Check it out. Absolutely wonderful clearance, and it will definitely have the effect that I want it to have. when we're at the car show. So there you have it, guys. The high lift hood struts are installed from Overtake USA. And I gotta say that was a super easy install. Probably the simplest install of any aftermarket part that I've put on my car. And super excited about using these, making my life a little bit easier when I'm working on my car, making it look a little bit better when I'm at shows and I'm showcasing that underhood wrap. So super cool use case, super cool product. A big shout out to the guys at Overtake for getting this sent out to me in such a quick turnaround time. And guys, if you guys haven't heard of Overtake USA, check out their website, you know, read about their backstory. They are a newer company. They've only been around as a company for like 3 or 4 months as at the time that I'm shooting this video, but they have decades of experience. The owner, Justin Grimm, you know, obviously has been around for a very long time if you know anything about his history. So really excited to see what they put out. I'm in the product development Facebook group that I was telling you about before. They're already working on some really cutting edge stuff, kind of teasing it in that Facebook group. So anyways, guys, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to drop them in the comments below. Happy to answer any questions that you have, but until next time, thank you so much for stopping by. We'll talk to you later. Goodbye.